Planning a bathroom remodel? Before you spend thousands of dollars, watch this video. Today, I'm breaking down the 11 biggest bathroom design regrets and costly mistakes to avoid. These are common, expensive, and totally preventable. Whether you're doing a full renovation or a simple refresh, these tips will help you design a bathroom you won't regret later. Trust me, homeowners, designers, and contractors see these mistakes all the time. Avoiding them now will save you money, frustration, and future repairs. Bathroom design regret number one, poor lighting. Bad lighting can ruin even the most beautiful bathroom. Relying only on overhead lights causes sharp, harsh shadows. Add layered lighting, overhead, vanity lights, optional accent lighting. Your bathroom instantly looks more modern and functional. Regret number two, choosing the wrong flooring. Not all flooring is bathroom friendly. Avoid materials that absorb water or warp. Choose waterproof options like porcelain tile, ceramic tile, luxury vinyl plank, LVP. These last longer and save you from moisture-related repairs. Regret number three, not enough storage. Skipping storage is one of the biggest bathroom design mistakes. Think drawers instead of only cabinets, recessed shelves, built-in niches. Clutter-free bathrooms feel bigger and more expensive. Regret number four, ignoring ventilation. Moisture is your bathroom's worst enemy. Without proper ventilation, you get mold, peeling paint, and fogged mirrors. Use a high-quality exhaust fan and consider adding a timer or a humidity sensor. Regret number five, oversized tubs or showers. A giant tub looks luxurious until it steals all your floor space. Make sure your tub or shower fits the scale of the room. Bigger isn't always better. Balanced is better. Regret number six, poor layout planning. Placing the toilet too close to the vanity, awkward door swings, or tight clearances are common layout issues. Always plan your layout before choosing fixtures. Good flow equals a bathroom that feels larger. Regret number seven, cheap fixtures. Going for the cheapest faucets, shower heads, or hardware often leads to quick breakdowns. Invest in quality fixtures. They last longer, look better, and save money over time. Regret number eight, no outlets where you need them. Design regret, not adding outlets for hair dryers, toothbrushes, shavers, or mirrors. Plan outlets near vanities, medicine cabinets, shelves. Think convenience. Regret number nine, poor tile choices. Slippery tiles, hard to clean texture tile, or grout that stains easily. We've all seen it. Use slip-resistant tile on floors and smooth, easy clean tile on walls. Choose grout colors that won't look dirty in 6 months. Regret number 10, no future proofing. Designing only for right now can be costly later. Think about grab bar reinforcement, walk-in shower accessibility, taller vanities. These are small changes that make your bathroom more functional long-term. Regret number 11, following trends too closely. A trend-forward bathroom can look outdated quickly. Balance trendy elements with timeless materials. Think classic tiles, neutral colors, and fixtures that won't age badly. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss more home design tips and renovation guides. Comment below and tell me which bathroom mistake surprised you the most, or share one you wish you avoided.